stack them.
Yep. Today, Beef has to stack these biscuits. Just using her mouth. And then once she's done a tower, and I'm timing you. Can she do a tower in a minute?
Try not to like slobber everywhere. Sparrow!
Sorry people, we have to go above because we kind of had a spiral in the way. I'll have to come round. I'm carrying this on my chest. Now I can see better. No swearing.
Can I move
No.
the plate?
Huh?
Can I move the plate or no?
No, it's all by mouth.
Sparrow! Not for you. You knocked my tower over.
Do you want me to stop?
Mm-mm.
Can she do it in a minute? She's got 5 seconds.
In a minute? Bye-bye.
Minute's up.
I did pretty good.
Yeah, you did. Called you again. So Beef is trying again. Now she's got to eat them. Can she eat her towel without her hands?
It's like the you know one.
Spyro's trying to give her extra flavour and help here. Hello, Ori. Now you've got to eat them.
Shit me.
Don't mind that word.
Sorry.
Now you've got to eat them.
Yeah. You're all slobbered on.
Yep, she can do it. Stay tuned.